were very strong in the last election. And now they have formed a team. They want to fight their grandparents. As Obasanjo will say, Atiku has apologized, we are good. Later now, goodness go turn to badness. And then these two babas are saying now that they are back again. So when I first heard that, okay, Kwankwaso is a Peter Obi's running mate, I say this is the moment of problem. Alright people, welcome back to YolyBoy TV, and on this video today we are diving into a different angle. You know, we always talk entertainment. Today I see political news that catch my eye. I now say, hey, I need to come and talk about this. Today I think we are going to talk about politics. We are going to discuss Peter Obi and Kwankwaso. Then we are going to discuss about Atiku and Obasanjo. Just watch. You know, say at the cruise online. I love cruising online on the norms, and I came across this thing, a news about Peter Obi that make me be like, hey, this country has turned to content creation country. Everybody go just they create content, they go. Peter Obi, who is the youth choice, came out and said if he should have been the president when the Oyo and that Ibadan children were kidnapped, he should have entered the bush himself to go and save them. I say, may I take him again? According to news, Peter Obi allegedly said that he should have entered the bush to go and save the Nigerian kids that were kidnapped in Oyo. I first sit down and think, I say, has a prospect or aspiring president, what you should be doing is convincing people on what they should do, or convincing people on them to get to vote for you. Abi, why is it that you go win election first before you go enter the bush? If I go be the one, if I want do am, I go do am now so that people will have a reason to vote for me. So I feel like if no be content, a president, you know, say Donald Trump hot where he never enter bush save people. Putin never enter bush to do anything. Now military then they save. Me now, what do you think about what this Peter Obi don't say? Peter Obi talk say him fit enter bush. No be fit him for enter bush. You know think say him suppose enter the bush now so that we Nigerians will know he love us. He can sacrifice himself for this country. No be say when you define, you know if you do. Now when you get them, you come see say sort of sweet, you go enter bush. Anyway, that one na just news by the way where I get. May we dive small into Atiku matter. Atiku and Obasanjo, you know, since we are this small like this, I've been hearing news that Atiku, Obasanjo, all these people, they have a lot of things going on. They have beef, they have issues. This year, you will see Atiku come and apologize. You go say, waiting the sup for this country like this. You will see Atiku apologize. Obasanjo will say, Atiku has apologized, we are good. Later now, goodness go turn to badness. After years, you will see again Obasanjo will come and just attack Atiku. Now it has happened again. Obasanjo has came out and said that he has regretted appointing Atiku as vice. I talk say, how many times Atiku was your vice? Is once. You have been coming out to us and say you have forgiven him. Atiku have acknowledged the fact that okay, he is sorry. And then these two babas are saying now that they are back again. Obasanjo came out and said he regretted appointing Atiku as his vice president. 2021, I'll be waiting be that year where they do their buzz. So now, to me, Obasanjo once said that he will never watch Atiku become president in this country so long as he is alive. That means it's not the choice of Nigerians now. It's the choice of men who have mouth and whose ears are listening to what they want. So we now, we cannot choose what we want in this country. Now waiting and they tell us, Abi. So if the country choose Atiku, now waiting Obasanjo fi do. So to me, I just feel like some of these things are unnecessary. As leaders, they are supposed to be people who are showing us example, people who are leading by example, not people who will be saying what they want. This is a whole country of millions of people, and one person is saying something that I don't understand. Anyway, that is for them. For us, we know what we are up to. Let's come and talk about this thing that has been on people's mind. Peter Obi and Kwankwaso ticket. You know, when I first heard that, okay, Kwankwaso is a Peter Obi's running mate, I said this is the moment of problem. And now we have gotten them under one umbrella. Don't you think that these people are going to cause real problem 2027? Because have Peter Obi, have Kwankwaso, 2023, I think the problem Peter Obi had was not having the North supporting him. And then this time around, he has gotten Kwankwaso under his flag. There is big problem brewing because I think these two people are going to destroy 2027 election. Whatever plan you are coming with, these people are destroying it. And it will take the grace of God for anybody to escape the two of them because they are currently very strong. Kwankwaso in Kano is a godfather. He is in control of a lot of things. Just in the last election, Kwankwaso came with 4-point-something million votes in one state. One state. Peter Obi managed to wipe many states and came up with 6 million votes. 6 plus 4, calculate. 2 people now measuring. I remember I said, hey, these two people, but anyway, only God knows what will happen. But what do you think from your own side about what I say? Peter Obi saying he will go to the bush and make sure he rescue Oyo children if he should have been the president. Do you think that thing is possible in Africa? Not just Africa, in Nigeria here, is that possible? And then let's also talk about another good and stubborn thing where they ground. Where this Obasanjo and Atiku they do. Do you think this thing is not just political languages they are using to confuse us? This one is saying this one is saying that, this one is saying this one is saying that. When election comes, everybody will begin to pour his mind. Anyway, now what about Peter Obi and Kwankwaso ticket? What do you think? Do you think that thing will not become dangerous? Because if you look well, these two people were very strong in the last election. And now they have formed a team. They want to fight their grandparents. I think there will be a war of who is going to win. But do you feel like their ticket is going to give them election in the next coming election, or is just going to flop like the way it has always been? Because some people are already talking, some people are already saying that Peter Obi and Kwankwaso will sell their vote to Tinubu. Some are saying they will sell their vote to Atiku. Some are saying they will even sell it to INEC so that INEC can market it to anybody they want. But to me, I think all these things will be determined in 2027. What do you think? It's YolyBoy. I want to read your mind. Let's have a good time after today.